y'all, it's Cameron the K come to you guys with another legal tea series video. So as you can tell by the title, this is another 1L Bootcamp series video. And before we get into the video, somebody's gonna ask me about my hair. I mean, somebody might not, but for those of you that don't know, I do make hair videos as well. So this is actually a wig. This is Shake and Go Harmony, but this video is not about my hair, y'all. It's about this legal tea I'm about to spill. Okay. So what is an elevator speech? To me, it's kind of like if I had an interview and I only had 30 to 60 seconds to sell myself, what would I say? I would start off with my name. That's like the key thing. And then the rest of it kind of depends on who you're talking to. What do you want out of this conversation? What do you want that person to know about you? And I always begin, like I said, I always begin with my name and the school I go to. If I'm talking to someone that's in law that I may want to clerk with or work with. And then I always end it with, can I get a business card? Or would you like to go to lunch? Something like that. Or grab a coffee in between or something like that. Because lawyers love y'all. Love going to lunch. Love getting coffee or something. So that's always a key thing and always really good to kind of communicate there and get them outside of the office. Another really good thing to do, I'm kind of sidetracking from going to elevator speech, but another good thing to ask is whether or not they would let you job shadow them. That's been really beneficial for me. So that way you can get like a first-hand experience on what they're doing and if that's something you have interest in, so you don't have to like necessarily waste a half of a summer. Even if you clerk somewhere over the summer and you don't like it, it's still never a waste. But anyway, so the elevator speech, like I said, it'll start off with, hi, my name is Cameron Buckner. I'm a third-year law student at Cumberland School of Law. So that's like the background area. Right there, you can fill in anything. If you're not in school, you can fill in, hi, I'm currently working at such and such, and this is my position, and such is located here, if they're not familiar with the area. Same thing with the school. They might not be familiar with the school. Since I'm talking to mostly like Birmingham, Southern type employers, I know they know what Cumberland School of Law is, but like I said, if they don't, I can let them know, hey, Cumberland School of Law is located in Birmingham, Alabama. We're top ranked for our trial advocacy program, and I'm actually on the national trial team. So that's something else I can add in there as well. Then you kind of get into like the details about yourself, where you think of like maybe 2 to 4 like key pointers you would want any employer to know that would be beneficial in any environment. So for me, it would be, I've worked in several different law firms in undergrad as well as now in law school. I worked at a plaintiff's law firm. I've also worked on the criminal side in the district attorney's office 2 summers in a row. I loved both experiences, and now I can kind of weigh that experience and see where I want to end up. But I'd love to get further experience at your law firm. I'd love to get further experience at your business. So you want to sound confident and just know what you're going in there to tackle for. So like I was saying, you have like your name, background, few little, hey, this is me, brag about yourself a little bit. This is when you want to basically kind of tweak their little ego a little bit and say, you know, I know you worked for this company, or what did you do in undergrad, or how was your transition from law school to now working in the field that you're working in? Did you always want to work in that field? So a little conversation there, and then you get right into what you want to ask them for, which is the business card, lunch, coffee, whatever the case may be, clerkship. If you want to be bold with it, which I've done before, hey, I'm looking for an internship and I would love the opportunity to work for you. That kind of thing. So don't be scared. The elevator speech, it can get a little like, what do I say? But it's really good once you get the hang of it. And just be confident. Honestly, confidence can take you such a long way. So do not be afraid to just start a conversation. Like I said, think of those key things that you know that you have a common ground with that person, especially if they're a lawyer or in law school, like, or a law student, or maybe they're a paralegal or in the legal field or in the young professional field. I think you can pretty much relate to them in any type of conversation. So definitely go out there, get these jobs, get those networking going, and just practice. Even if you just practice with your classmates, that's a good beginning. And then I just did a video on getting to know your professors. That's another good way to practice. So yeah, I feel like I'm talking a lot. I'm gonna get a little bit of tea. So yeah, you guys, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was super quick, but I just kind of wanted to touch on this. If you have any more questions about elevator speech, let me know down in the comment section below. I may have a template in the description box, maybe. If it's not there, it will be. If it's not, it's gonna be on my blog, which will be coming very soon. Don't forget to thumbs up this video if you enjoyed. Leave me some comments down in the comment section, like I said. Share this video with your family, friends, law students, colleagues, other lawyers, all that good stuff. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Later!